The sit and reach test is a very simple flexibility test, and all you need is a wall. So if you take your shoes off, come and sit with your back flat against the wall, legs on the floor, and then what you're going to do is just put your hands out in front of you, palms facing down, and you're going to bend over, reach, see how far you can get. This is just a warm up. You're going to come back, you're going to repeat that again just to get a little bit of movement. If you've exercised before, if you've got your joints warmed up, all the better for your flexibility. Just make sure it maintains consistency when you're testing, so that you're always testing from the same point of being warmed up or otherwise. And then once you've done a few repetitions, see how far you can reach. If I touch my toes, I know that's my limit, and then I can come back, record that, and I know for future I can see how far I've progressed with my flexibility.